All right, so this is the last meeting of this class, COMSC 142, and I don't plan to have a lecture or introduce any new material. I'm just here to answer questions. At this time of year, there are often questions about grading. I just upgraded all the grades in Canvas, and a couple more students that didn't already have an A have now risen and already have an A. If you don't have enough points for an A yet, continue to do the hands-on projects and submit them in the scoreboard. Take the final exam or any quizzes you've missed, and to make sure that whatever you do, it's all done by 12/12, because right after that I have to add it all up and assign the final grades. This will be the last Tuesday class, but I will be having my evening sessions at City College next week, Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and the rest of this week, so you can connect to me at 7:30 p.m. on Twitch if you want to reach me on anything. But if you have any questions, we're running out of time to resolve them. And I'm just going to stick around for a while to see if anybody shows up with questions today, but I'm thinking I have no customers. So anyway, that's the situation. I'm going to stop this one.